Hello everyone, welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can increase your Snapchat score. So let's start. First of all, let me open Snapchat. I created a new account for the purpose of this video. So as you can see, I don't have much Snap score. So coming to the main point, there are basically 3 steps by which you can increase your Snap score. And they are by sending snaps, receiving snaps and posting photos and videos in your story. So if you want to increase your Snap score, simply click the photos of random things and post it in your story. Let me show you an example. I have now come to the camera. Now I will simply click some random photos and upload it in my story. As you can see, I have added multiple photos in my story. Now let me restart the Snapchat app. As I restart Snapchat and go to my profile, you can see that my Snapchat score has increased from 5 to 7. It will take some time to update the Snap score, so you don't have to worry about it. Another method by which you can increase your Snap score is by sending snaps to multiple people. So you can simply send snaps to some random people. For that, simply go to camera, click a random photo, then tap on send to. After that, search for a random name. Then after, select multiple people to send the snap. After that, simply send it. As you can see, the snap is being sent. Now as I go back to my profile, you can see my Snapchat score has increased once again. So in this way, you can easily increase your Snapchat score. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.